Hey there. If you're on the path to buying a home, you know how important it is to have the right agent and lender on your side. But what's even more important, knowing your personal information is safe. Today, I'm excited to show you how MustWants helps you find the perfect real estate professionals, all while keeping your personal data private until you decide to connect. Let's start with choosing an agent feature. In MustWants, we've made finding a vetted real estate agent quick and easy. Head over to My Agent tab. Are you currently working with an agent? If so, you can invite them to work with you on MustWants. If you don't have an agent yet, select No. You will then see a list of vetted, experienced real estate professionals in your area. Each agent has been pre-screened and you can view their profiles before making a choice. Now, here's the best part. Your personal information stays completely private until you tap Connect. Only then is your contact information shared with the agent you've chosen. No data sold, no unwanted calls, just a direct line to the professional you trust. Next, let's talk about choosing a lender feature. Just like with My Agents, MustWants lets you browse a list of trusted lenders right from the app. We vet our lenders to ensure they are offering the very lowest rates and fees and that they are experts with the VA loan process. You can choose the lender that best fits with the assurance that your personal details stay private and you decide to connect. When you're ready, just tap Connect to start a conversation with the lender of your choice. And remember, until you make that decision, your info is kept safe and secure. No sharing, no selling. So with MustWants, finding the real estate professional is not only easy, but it's safe. Your personal information is never shared until you decide to connect with a vetted agent or lender. It's all about giving you control over your home buying process. Thanks for watching and happy home buying with MustWants.